What is up, guys? We are back. I've had a long ass morning because right now as I'm filming this, we are moving into our new space for our business, our shop space. So I had to do all of that in the morning. Today's Sunday. It's 6. Let me show you guys. And I am barely about to get started doing the rear camber arms on the Nissan 300zx. I should have it ready by today so my brother can take it tomorrow to get its alignment. But let me show you guys what I got for the rear camber arm. This is what I picked up. They are the Godspeed 300zx camber arms. Let me pull them out of the packaging and show you. Here is what they look like. Woohoo! I love that color, man. That looks clean. I also picked these off of Amazon, and these ran me $170 for those two. Godspeed for $89 to $94, 240SX and 300zx. As you guys can see, the front is still jacked up. I'm gonna jack up the rear, get started. I have new wheels right here that are blacked out, hidden from you guys. So once I finish installing both camber kits, I can put my new set of wheels on the car. So the car is fully jacked up. I got it where I want it. I'm gonna do the passenger side first. I'm gonna see what issues I run to. I'm gonna talk to you guys how that goes, and I'm gonna see what happens. If I don't talk to you guys, then the next time you guys will see me is when we're tackling the driver's side. So I'm gonna just focus on getting the passenger side and see how long that takes me. That way I can come over with my knowledge of what I learned while doing the passenger side and help you guys and give you some tips on how to do the driver's side. If I do run into any issues, you guys will see an update, but hopefully I don't. Here's how it's currently looking. I believe I have to change this and I have to change this. So those are the only two things that are going to be coming out. Hopefully I don't have to remove the coilover, and this can slide out easily just by removing the bottom bolt right there of the coilover. My brother came out to help me because I always need help. There goes me, if you guys wonder how I look as a girl. Anyways, I managed to get the passenger side done. I didn't have any issues. I don't know, man. I feel kind of sketched out about how it is. Every time I do something on my car, I feel sketched out about it. But I'm gonna show you guys how it looks and let me know what you guys think about it.
Everything's gonna go up when you lower it down, right?
What?
It's gonna go up.
My coil?
Space. No, the arm.
Alright, so this is how it looks. Like I said, I don't really have much clearance back there. Hopefully that doesn't bother me or cause any issues. But apart from that, everything else on here has gotten done. Everything's clean, everything looks good. I did not have to remove the coil, I just had to finagle it to get it in there. I'm gonna go ahead and do the driver's side. But anyways, that is how that's it. I'm gonna put you guys on the tripod and I'm gonna knock out the driver's side, and hopefully it doesn't take me as long. I just had to figure out a couple of methods to get that done on that side. But I think we should be good. I should knock it out in an hour. So let's go ahead and get started. Issues on this side, but I'm done. You got that fuel line right there that goes through there. That bolt was installed backwards. I managed to pull it out. That took me about an hour to get that out, but I managed to get it out, and we pretty much done with the driver's side. Let's take a look at the passenger side, which is also looking good, as you guys can see. That also took longer than expected, but we got it done. That's where I'm gonna end this video. You guys are wondering, oh, you're not gonna show us the wheels that are going on it. No, that is going to be for the next video where I reveal what wheels are getting put on this car. They are right here, covered nice and neat, kept away from the dust. For me, I get to put them on right now. For you, you guys have to wait 3 to 4 days before that video comes out. If If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys already know what wheels I have. So that's a very good way to keep up to date with me if you don't want to wait on these videos. But this is where I am going to be ending this video. But anyways, I don't want to keep rambling. If you guys want to keep up to date with this build, subscribe. Help us reach 45,000 subscribers. Drop the video a like. Comment down below what you guys think so far of the 300zx build. And are you guys excited? But remember guys, a champion is not defined by their wins, but how they recover when they fall. Doses.
Yeah, man, the world needs better laws. Maybe then we'll be better off. I'm hoping that it comes, but it never does. Just got new grills and they all go. So I got that beef with the po-po. They don't like my style, no, no, no. I don't really give a damn, I keep steering, switch gears and the fans just